So in this lecture, we are going to see a very interesting problem which have previously come in the JEE Advanced paper, where they actually try to test your tricks and skills in math rather than your knowledge in that particular field. The problem seemed to look like that there exists a function 0 to 1 to r, and fx equals to 4 to the power x over 4 to the power x plus 2. Find the value of f of 1 over 40 plus f of 2 over 40 continuing till f of 39 over 40 and minus f of half. So this was the problem given. So now how to solve these kinds of problem? So see, there are basically many ways in which you can solve this problem. Clear? You can try and find out the approximate solutions by putting x equals to 1 over 40, x equals to 2 over 40, and so on till 39 over 40, because finding f of half is quite easy. It just gives you the square root. Am I clear? But actually this problem is to be solved by a very tricky method which is kind of hidden but visible from this problem. Now what is that? So basically you can easily notice from this part of the question that you can group terms as fx plus f of 1 minus x. See, 39 over 40 can be written as 1 minus 1 over 40. Am I clear? So you can actually group the values of the function of this part in this way. So in this way you can actually get the grouping as 1 over 40 plus f of 39 over 40. The summation will give you 40 actually. Am I clear? The summation is going to give you 40. Okay, this is what you need to find out. So this is one group. Then you will have f of 2 over 40 plus f of, here you have 38 over 40. Clear? And this will continue till you have f of 19 over 40 plus f of 21 over 40. Clear? Plus you have f of 20 over 40, which is of course f of 1 over 2, minus f of 1 over 2. So this part gets eventually cancelled. And here you have 19 terms, from 1 to 19 terms you have here. Am I clear? Now what can we find from these groupings? So let us do some manipulations from this given function. So see here, f of x is basically 4x over 4x plus 2. So putting 1 minus x in place of x, you get 4 of 1 minus x over 4 of 1 minus x plus 2, which is 4 over 4 to the power x over 4 over 4 to the power x plus 2, which is 4 over 4 plus 2 times 4 to the power x. Taken 2 common, you get 2 plus 2 over 2 plus 4 to the power x. Now if you add them, so fx plus f of 1 minus x, you get 4 to the power x over 4 to the power x plus 2 plus 2 over, so this can be written as 4 to the power x plus 2 because it is commutative. This gives you 1. So basically the value of all these groupings are equals to 1, and there are 19 such groupings. So basically The answer is 19. Okay, so whenever you are gonna get a problem in JEE Advanced, do check that if you can actually kind of solve the problem using some tricks rather than going the longer way. Okay, just try to find. If you are not being able to find, so when you will practice problems, you will basically develop a sense of how you can solve a problem, whether you need to go a longer way or you can shorten it. That basically depends upon your practice. So keep practicing hard, keep understanding math, keep making it a fun art. And that's all for today, guys. We will be meeting in the next lecture.